Alright, I'm gonna start guessing the one of one guess for $50. Team guess. Team guess. 32 teams. If 2 people guess the same team, and you guys split the money, 3 people, and so on and so on. Josh Rosen, what kind of team guess is that? Jesus. I didn't know there's a team called Josh Rosen. Alright, good luck everyone. Man, what an ugly cut, dude. What an ugly cut. Dude, I'm just playing. Gotta order them off Amazon. That's where you gotta order it up. Boston Scott, Saints. We got a Kalen Ballage rookie, Dolphins. Rated rookie. Kenyon Drake, vet base. Our first Vita Vea, nice. Rookie for the Bucks. There you go, Dom. That is 9 of only 25. These are all out of 25. First round pick, too. Yeah, let's get the second half busted after. Wow, look at this. 42 of 50. Sam Darnold. Wow. Sam Darnold Jets. New guy mojo. Wow. Look at that. First off the line edition. That is nice. Very nice hit for the Jets. There you go, Michael. I'll put that one in the mag. And we got, out of 99, Hayden Hurst. Nice, clean, rated rookie on card for the Ravens. There you go, Marcus. And a third auto. Nice. Bonus auto. Nice first box. Boston Scott, rookie auto to 99. It goes to Ryan. Almost a 1 of 1. Only 49 numbers off a 1 of 1. Very close. That was probably the best box we've opened out of all the first off the line. We did a bunch of personals before I started posting these breaks. Tremaine Edmonds rookie. Nice Barkley rated rookie for the Giants. Kid Reporter. Those actually expired today. Todd Gurley. And Jamison Crowder for the Redskins. That is out of 25. It was to Joe. 6 of 25. Colts, Deion Kane, 1 of 50. Starstruck edition. Here you go, Tom. And out of 75, Christopher Herndon for the Jets. Another one for the Jets. They don't have shields in this. Ronald Jones shield, dude. Actually, don't they have RPAs maybe? I don't know about I think it's just the normal. I don't think they have shields. It might just be tags. Fitzpatrick. Nice Nick Chubb, rated rookie. Winston and Keenan Allen, Chargers. There you go, Michael. Nice. Out of 25. 11 of 25. I think that's jersey number. Oh, nope. He's 13. 13. Nice Rashad Penny, Elite Series out of 50. These ones are nice. Seahawks. That goes to Tyler. Very nice. Tanner Lee for the Jags out of 75. Refractor auto. That goes to Ryan. And Bengals out of 75. Auden Tate. Another 3 auto box. That goes to Steve. Halfway point. 2 3 auto boxes so far. Herndon. Hayden Hurst, rated rookie. Todd Gurley. And Cardinals, Patrick Peterson. For Dom, and that is 24 of 25. Bills out of 50, Ray McLeod. Goes to Marcus. Purple Stars edition. Another Deion Kane for the Colts. This one is out of 75. It's gonna be a banger pack. I don't know. I just have a feeling about it. Justin Watson and a nice Darnold rookie, rated rookie on the back. Jets are killing it. The one for Wolfson. Cam Newton. Another Jets. Christopher Herndon. Out of 25. 11 of 25. Wow. The Jets case or break. We got Broncos 8 of 50. Royce Freeman, rated rookie, on card. You go, Robert. Very nice. Definitely a curved edition. Justin Watson for the Bucks out of 150. Has a little bit of a scratch up top. And wow, Jets again. Christopher Herndon to 50. Red border. Damn, Jets. What are the Jets smoke in this case? Holy cow. What do you mean the other boxes may be dead? Other boxes are fire. Filled with fire. Well, I guess we'll never know until we fill it. Man, I really hope that's a gold. Derwin James, rookie. Nice. Baker Mayfield, rated rookie for the Browns. Kid Reporter, case hit right there. Alvin Kamara and Seahawks, Earl Thomas. Another one for Tyler. 11 of 25. Out of 50. Colts, Nyheim Hines. He actually kept his auto on the sticker. Nice. Usually it's not always on. Here you go, Tom. Your third auto. Colts had 3 autos. I think Jets had like 3. 8 of only 10 for the Bengals. That is gold. Malik Jefferson. Nice hit, Steve. Very nice. And to 99, Bo Scarborough on card, rated rookie for the Cowboys. It was to Travis. All right. Jets and Colts. Killed that break. 3 autos each. This was definitely the banger of the break. Very, very nice, Darnold. Alright, let's get the random going. Promo spot. Don't forget about that, guys. Promo spot. Actually, I'll do all the names, not the teams. Oh, Lucas. It's Optic. Like, the normal version has a lot of base. There's only 6 cards a box in the first off the line version. Alright, top spot is gonna get the first spot in the promo. Good luck. 12 times, 6 and a 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12th and final top spot. J Pick. First spot in the promo. There you go, Joe. It's on 12. Very, very nice.